Well, hello, my CNC brother or sister. I am Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I'd like to welcome you to this short little update video. I'm not going to educate you in this video. I just want you to know what's coming up. You'll be interested in this if you want to start a CNC business. I just want to remind you the CNC Business webinar is tomorrow, October 27th, tomorrow relative to when I shot this video for you. October 27th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to start a business with your CNC machine, or you've already started one but you're kind of struggling, you want to get in this webinar. It's put on by myself and my partner Bill Keys, a 15-year CNC veteran. He's been in business for that long. We're going to teach you the foundations to get your business set up the right way. We're going to talk to you about niching and how to find a niche and pricing structures and a whole lot of foundational stuff. So if you want to have that kind of guidance, you need to sign up for that webinar now. There are very few seats left. Literally, the system will not allow me to put any more people in there. So it's tomorrow, October 27th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's live. And if you can't be there, it will be recorded. And within 48 hours, I will send out a link with the recording, and you will have indefinite access to it to watch it at your whim. So sign up for that now if you want to get access to that webinar. The link is down below. That's the first thing. The second thing is, if you remember, I've been mentoring a guy named Mark Garrett. Well, some things have changed in his life, and so that mentoring will no longer be taking place. There's just times when we have to make decisions, and so that's what's going on. I know you've been getting a lot out of it, and it's been inspiring you. You've been relating with him. Maybe we'll be able to get back to it, but for now, we've agreed that we won't be doing it anymore because of personal circumstances. I am sorry. So I just want to let you know that, and then I've got a few things coming down the pike. I'm just not going to get into it right now. Just want to let you know. The other thing is, if you don't get a response from an email right away, it's because I am getting way overloaded with emails. In fact, I am looking to hire people now. That's how busy I'm getting. I need people to manage some of the technical stuff, the shipping for me, and handling some of my messaging that's coming in. It's literally too overwhelming. I don't have time left in a day to create the videos for you and have personal time at the same time. So if I don't answer your email right away, then please don't have your feelings hurt, because I'm simply overloaded. I want to be able to help everybody. I think that's about it for right now. I just want to remind you, CNC Business webinar. Sign up for it now. Otherwise, it'll be a couple months before we do it again. And you will have access to the recording when it is done within 48 hours. All right, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft. I hope you have a great day, better tomorrow, and happy CNCing. I'll see you in the webinar if you decide to sign up. Ciao.